Islam will destroy Christianity in America. The polls say my hero and America's big brother is losing to Hillary, and most Christians welcome Islam with open arms, which is the Christian thing to do. But those who would carry Christianity in America to future generations are leaving the church by the busloads. That group is today's millennials, the 18 to 30-year-olds. When the baby boomers die off, that will leave a vacuum for Christianity. That vacuum will be filled by Islam. Why are millennials leaving the church? They are leaving the church for the same reason Jesus left the old ways. Jesus rebuked the teachers of the law. I could preach for you for hours from the Bible about Jesus opposing the law. Jesus replaced the law with love God and love your neighbor, period. 2 Timothy 4:3 says the time will come when people will not put up with sound doctrine. Instead, to suit their own desires, they will gather around them a great number of teachers to say what their itching ears want to hear. The millennials are leaving the church because they have had it up to their ears with hate preaching surrounding people's sexual orientation. When they asked Jesus about stoning the adulteress, Jesus said, "He that is without sin among you, let him cast the first stone at her." When they asked Muhammad about stoning the adulteress, well, you know the answer, stone her. Yes, stonings are taught by yesterday and today's teachings of Islam. I am all for right-wing Christianity, and I'm all for the left. If it weren't for people like Ted Cruz and Donald Trump, Christians would be preaching and hiding in the backwoods today, not in 50 or 100 years as like I predict. I'm not the only preacher preaching against Islam. The Reverend Michael Harrington of the mega church Belmont Drive Missionary Baptist Church is preaching God's word. Yes, Reverend Harrington's church is a mega church compared to Peter's church, which Peter's church is so far out in the backwoods of Lawrence, Kansas, even God has trouble locating it. And your GPS can't find it. I have one thing to say to millennials. Christianity will allow you to keep your iPhone. Islam will take it away from you. I have something to say to you. I have something to say to Islam. I am no threat to you. You are supported from the president down. If your religion is of the Creator, you have no worries. Nobody is watching my videos, and nobody cares. They are caught up in their daily lives, and most Americans could care less. So go ahead, continue to breed and conquer. Look, folks, I'm not a bigot or a hater. If Islam's intent did not include converting us to their religion by force, I would welcome them with open arms myself. If even one person cared about saving Christianity for future generations, donate $1 million to Peter's church, the same seed amount Donald received from his father to build his empire. Jesus will shine the bright TV lights on Pastor Jerry Armstrong Jr.'s blonde Donald Trump hairdo, and I will save Christianity. I will preach an old-fashioned revival of the good news of Christ on TV. Donate to Peter's Church, Box 978, Lawrence, Kansas 66044.